We talk about ourselves because we're fascinated with ourselves. We love the sound of our own voice. We're so interesting. But other people think exactly the same thing. If you want to have a good relationship with people, stop talking about yourself and get them to talk about themselves and be genuinely interested in them and ask the types of questions which show genuine interest in them. They will feel a connection with you. They will think, oh, I like this person because they appreciate me. They're interested in me. They listen to me. Critical phrase, they listen to me. Because so many people are going through this world and no one cares about them. No one listens to them. No one invites their opinion. They're just on the receiving end of what other people want to talk about. When we reverse it, we make them the centerpiece and we ask them about themselves and they can talk about themselves. They feel good. It's a huge dopamine hit. They love it. And guess what? They love us too. Simple thing. This is not manipulation. It's got to be genuine. You've got to have a genuine interest in the person and find out more about them. Get them to talk about themselves. Your connection with that person will improve dramatically. Simple thing, try it.